Hello, good morning to you. Haven't been feeling that great, not gonna lie to you. So I thought I'd vlog today and maybe do a weekly vlog or just like over a couple days because I don't really feel that great, and so I thought this might like be vlogging and like trying to like make fun stuff for me to capture always makes me feel better. So I thought, be smart, Lily, don't just wallow in not feeling too good. So first of all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lily. Come on in, join the fam. Sorry for the sad start of the vid if you're new. Normally my channel's very upbeat, happy, overexcited, stuff like that. Today is Sunday. There was meant to be a video going up today, but Katie did it as well. It was like the quickfire assumptions one. It was actually quite a funny video, but I just thought, you know what, I'm just not gonna post it because I've seen loads of other people post it. I don't know, I'm in a bit of a conflict with myself, to be quite honest with you. So I thought, you know what, we'll just leave that on private. Maybe one day you guys all get to see it. You never know. And I thought I'd start afresh, so sorry for no video last week, but today for me. Hopefully this will go up on Wednesday, maybe a mukbang. Also the fringe, yeah, love that. I kind of hate it. I was on FaceTime to Katie yesterday. And this just sort of happened. Yes, I cut it myself. Yes, I kind of hate it. Yeah, I just really wanted to look in the mirror and have something excite me. Like, if you know me in my day-to-day life for like years and years, I've had crazy coloured hair. Like, obviously I've got blonde hair now. My roots aren't even roots, it's just my whole head. Like, that's not okay. Or like changing something about myself, getting more pierced. Like, I'd really love having something to look in the mirror and love about myself and get excited about. So that is what I was attempting to do, but I just kind of hate it. I just kind of hate it. That's where I am with this. Thought we'd have a little bit of a deep chat, but let's just move on, you know. Let's start, well, it's kind of a new week, isn't it? Start this new week, getting excited. I've got nothing to worry about. Like, life should be good, I should be pumped. Just not seeing Jack really gets me down. And Katie's seeing Mantis today and I'm really sad. I just want to see my ball. Sorry, I've chatted for 5 minutes now. Moral of the story is it's a peng day outside. Me and Alfie are gonna just sit. We've got a little pool in our garden. Don't get too excited. It's a whale blow up pool, but we love it. And yeah, today's gonna be a good day. I've got some tie-dye there, might do that tomorrow. Woo! Let's do this. I'm gonna be so backlit. Oh, let's not get our washing in the garden. Faye's embarrassed of me. And we're just sitting in our little deck chairs, and I got my iced coffee and I got my kiwi and yogurt. This yogurt is actually next level. It's Alpro blueberry and blackberry. Alpro something, and you should defo get yourself some. Faye's here, he's a bit naked. Hi Sonia! Don't pop the pool. I'm gonna flip you around and show you the pool, it's actually funny. Yep. It's like a little whale. I'll try not to show you the feet pics. That bit like sprays with water. Like, you plug the hose in, and then it sprays with water. It's so funny. Where's Sonia? Hi kitten. Oh god. Where are you? Hello little kitten. This is just going to be the messiest vlog ever. But we're just going to sit, dip our feet. Our aim was to... the water's really cold still. Our aim was for leaving the water out so it got warm, but that did not work. Oh my god, he's got the kettle. Oh my god, that is so smart. Did you just boil that?
Well, it's hot.
Oh my god, wow. You're so smart. Do that again.
Okay.
Stick it on. Wow. I'm so impressed by how smart you are. It smells kind of gross out here. Delivery time. Let's go. Hello. Oh, hi. Sorry, but she's just the cutest. I'm so red already. In case you're wondering, the parcel wasn't exciting. It was a birthday present for me, but I don't know what it is. And some cat litter. So, not that exciting. The boys are looking real pros over there. I don't know if you can even see it because the light's so bad. But there they are, staring at their barbecue, being manly. We got this thing built the other day and it looks so cute, this little shed thing. It's not a good explanation. Sorry, it's so shaky. Yeah, I said you were looking very manly. Our garden looks actually pegging this. Wave, Dade. Or don't wave. He's too busy looking at his bloody plant thermometer.
No, it's a meat thermometer.
A meat? Oh god, I just don't even want to know. Faye, how are you liking the golden hour today?
I don't
Have you had a lovely day? I think the last time I spoke to you, we were with the swimming pool. I can hear my mum shouting at Google. I'm having a rose cider currently. It's not even that nice. And we're having a barbecue for dinner. And I'm going to have a salad because I'm a vegan. And I don't get invited to family barbecues. So that's going to be fun. Good morning to you. If you're thinking, why do you look absolutely disgusting? Firstly, rude, so are you. Secondly, joking. And thirdly, I'm going to do tie-dye. Oh my god. I'm sorry, but why did I cut fringe? Katie, I'm looking at you. Why'd you let me do this, man? I'm literally gonna cry. Okay. Numero 1, a jumper that I never wear. Numero 2, some tops so that I could get some scrunchies that are tie-dyed coming your way. And maybe a bandana. Then some socks because I feel like that would be really cute to match with my outfit. I just look so disgusting, I'm really sorry. And there we go. Woo! I need to find some black socks. I'm literally dressed all in black because I'm scared of the dye going on me. I walked to the post box this morning with Moo. Posted 3 scrunchie orders all in one day. Thank you so much, guys. They're selling like hotcakes. I'm loving it. Okay, let's go do tie-dye. So I'm gonna attempt to do me tie-dye. Oh. Ah. So it's about the angle. It's really bad. I just didn't really want to show you where I live. Moomy, I think it's just going dark blue. And I forgot to put gloves on, so now my hands are black. Oh. Right, now for the pièce de résistance, honey. The jumper, okay. I've never wear this jumper and I just probably would have got rid of it, but... And now I'm gonna wear it loads if it's bloody tie-dyed, because that's bloody sick, isn't it? Definitely wear gloves. We'll leave them overnight and we can check on them tomorrow. I was gonna get the ring light, but I just can't be arsed. You've never seen this room before, I don't think. This is like our laundry room. So I got my tie-dye. It's Wednesday, by the way. No, it's Tuesday. Yesterday was bank holiday. So I've got my tie-dye. Oh no. The colours ran and it's dark blue, it's not black. Okay, we'll start with the jumper. See, it's like dark blue. I'm still gonna wear it though. Look how sick that is. Maybe I put a bit too much dye on. The back looks cool though. I'm loving this. I've got cream tracksuit on. This was a mistake. And then you just wash it in the washing machine with like one of the tablets. And then boom. Bob's your uncle, brand new. It's so easy. I don't know why more people aren't doing it themselves. It's so expensive to buy, but so easy to make. This dye was £3 and I used like a quarter of it. So, DIY. It gives you something to do as well. I've been doing this for like 2 days now. And it gives you some fresh garms that you're proud of. So like top tip, if you're going to use black from Dylon, use the whole packet. Otherwise it's just dark blue. Like, use the whole packet because it's not black otherwise, which is kind of sad. But if you want dark blue to go a long way, buy the black dye. I can't be bothered to rinse him anymore. I got bloody loads more to do. Dong. Next one. Oh my god, they're actually sick. I'm sorry, but they're sick. That's sick. Okay. Once they're washed, I'll show you because I can't leave on a cliffhanger, can I? A cliffhanger, a cliffhanger. I am freaking obsessed. Like, it looks so cute. I'm so red. I think I shrunk it a little bit and the fabric's not the softest, but I can put it in with some fabric softener. It's not very dark. It's kind of, it looks grey on the camera, but it's kind of really much more bluey. That comes across. I love it. I took these bits out to tie-dye it and then I just popped them back in. Oh, it's actually super comfy. I was worried I'd have shrunk it way too much, but I'm kind of obsessed, not gonna lie. And the socks came out so sick. Like, imagine that on your foot. Like, how sick is that? I'm sorry, but that just looks freaking cool. And then these t-shirts look sick, so I'm gonna start making the scrunchies and bandanas from these tonight. So head over to the Depop. Might be over there, I'll link it below. Yeah. I'm very proud of myself. Me and Moon just went, I need to pick you up again. Me and Moon just went to the garden centre. And I'm so warm. Like, look how bright red I am. I just think I can balance the camera between my feet. Probably not. This is just on one foot. DIY tripod. So, I look disgusting. We went to the garden centre and now I'm boiling hot. So I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna put this on. So I'm gonna go downstairs and make some cookies. Because my dad bought this like cookie dough that you like roll out and then like slice and bake. So I'm gonna make them. And then tomorrow I'm gonna take them all to my Fran's house. Because my brother tomorrow is his friend's birthday, so he's taking her present as she lives in the same estate as like 4 of my school friends. So I'm just gonna go for the walk with him and then drop them on their doorsteps tomorrow because I feel like that's cute, you know. I made my cookies and here they are. They're just cooling off. I just wanted to show you my plant. I got it from the garden centre. I'm even more red than before. It gives me like dirigible plum vibes. Anyone else from Harry Potter? You know, and it's like, don't mess with the dirigible plums and they're all like flying. I'm gonna put him in my room. But the cookies smell amazing. And then I'm gonna deliver them tomorrow. Good morning to you. Is it Wednesday?
It's Wednesday.
My camera's really greasy because I've been sweating. Me and Faye have just walked for about 2 hours to deliver some cakes, some cookies, and Alfie's birthday present to one of his friends.
Yep.
But I'm sure she'll like it, so it's fine. And all the gals really appreciated their little cookies. But now I'm really sunburned. Faye is about to die.
Yeah, I'm
He
sort
hates,
of expiring.
but you're wearing all black, so kind of your own fault. I'm quite liking my outfit today. This is what I got on. I'm being judged. That man judged me. So yeah, that is what we are doing, and then I intend fully to go home. And what we're gonna do, Faye?
We're gonna get the whale out.
We're gonna get out, Monsieur, and we're gonna bathe in the cold water. It's been a great day. It's really nice in the shade, but I mean we've been dying in the heat. But yeah, we've had a great day, Faye, and then we've sweated loads, and hopefully this burn will turn into tan. I did put SPF on, but clearly not enough. It might just be because I'm hot and sweaty, but you know, I don't actually look that bad. I thought it looked atrocious. I pinned my fringe up because why did I cut a fringe? But yeah, that's today's adventure, I suppose. There we go. Good evening to you. I think it's clear to say I got a lot burnt. Can you even see my shoulder? It's just not cute. I'm really hot and sweaty, but I'm still wearing a jumper. It's Jack's jumper and it smells like him and I like it, so don't judge me. And I've got my spotty doddy cream on. I'm just living my egghead life. And I thought I'd end the vlog here. So I don't, even my lips burnt, like they're really sore. Sad times. I thought I'd end the vlog here because I don't have any other plans for the week, and I feel like it's quite long already. It's probably getting to be like a 20-minute vlog, so if you've got this far, thank you very much. Don't forget to go over and follow my Instagram. These few days, I think I've sold like 7 things on Depop or something. Like, my scrunchie business is popping. So if you want to get yourself a scrunchie or a bandana for this quarantine season to hide your roots, head over there. If you say that YouTube sent you, I'll do you a good deal, you know, mates rates. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, it really means a lot to me. I'm sorry I missed a couple, didn't I? It's been like, I haven't posted this week. I just having a bit of a mental health day. Anyone watch that, Two of a Kind? When, with Mary Kate and Ashley Olsen, where they were like, I'm gonna have a mental health day. That's such a tandem. Tandem? Is that what it's called? A tandem? Off a tangent. Tangent? Not tandem. I need to stop. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Oh, I was gonna say, I've been watching Dead to Me. Here he is. It's a really good show, so watch it on Netflix. It takes a little bit of getting into. You need to get through like the first couple of episodes, and then it gets good. So yeah, recommend that. Okay, bye.